Guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about the Canva feature which can turn your text into the picture. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. Here we are with our Canva website, so we can create multiple things with this design website where we can create something like a YouTube banner, Instagram story, many more types of contents with different aspect ratios and all. So it is a very popular tool among when you want to create some particular design. So I don't like this cool feature that came into existence on Canva, so which can turn your text into picture. So we can just go and choose one of this design format. Let me just go with something like YouTube thumbnail. I want to just create a thumbnail for the YouTube video, and here we have to just scroll down to the apps, click on the apps, and here you can find this text to image, and there are many other things which you can see the apps in the app section. So I want to go for this text to image feature. So this is a new technology that can create any image that you can describe. Let's say that I want to describe some image like let's say that it's a cheetah running cheetah, we can say running cheetah in water, we can say, or in forest, I can say. So this is an example. Okay, so here we got an example. So this is a portrait of a girl with no makeup and messy dark hair. Let me just give again my running cheetah in water. Click on create your image. So it would take some couple of seconds to generate the images. So we can just see that this thing is loading once we are done. So here we are with really interesting pictures. We got this 4 pictures which are of top things from this text to image app. So it shows the different angles of the cheetah running in water, and I can just choose one among this which is more of a kind of something that I need. This, maybe this. So I can just choose this and I can paste it on my design. I can use it in my design. In this way I can use this text to image feature. We can even go with some of the uh, suggestions that we have, like let me just go back to this text to image, and here we have a few of things that we can use, something like filmic and dreamlike. We can create with the styles also, so what kind of style you want your images to be. So this is also some cool addition to this feature. So this is all for this video, guys. By using this feature you can just create your images. Instead of searching for the relevant image, you can describe the image and you can get this image on the Canva. And I hope this video you found this useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.